Hello guys, welcome back to Kitchen of Flavors, and today I'm going to cook fish curry. Here I have one large onions which I have chopped, coriander leaves, mint leaves, carom leaves, and a bit of methi leaves which I'm going to add, and I'll fry till they're light brown. Okay, so I'm going to still fry because the onions aren't light brown, so I'll keep stirring it. So now they're already light brown. What I'm going to do is add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and give it a quick stir. Just fry it for a while. And now I'm going to add 2 tomatoes which I have blended already because we need a fine gravy. We don't want lumpies. And in fish curry, don't use chopped tomatoes, use blended or grated. So I'll give it a quick stir and fry for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Then I'm going to add fish masala, which I'll put 2 teaspoons. And then I'll put 1 teaspoon of Royco seasoning and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. And then what I'm going to do is add 1 cup of heavy coconut milk. Mine is frozen. You can use fresh if you have. If not, if you have frozen, you can use it. And we'll stir it and boil it for 2 minutes till it's melted. I have some raw fish here which I'm going to use in my fish curry. So what I have done is I've marinated them in salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, and a bit of citric acid. I've mixed it and I've kept it. What we are going to do is fry them in hot oil. So my oil is heating up. My oil is already heated and I'm frying the fish. You need it fried so it can be crunchy and crispy in the curry. So once the side is ready, you'll flip it over. Okay, the gravy is already thickening up. So I'm going to put 2 heads of the fish, raw fish. That is because it brings a very nice taste and aroma in it. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste so it can thicken up for now. Just cook it for about 4 minutes, and then I'm going to add the fried fish which I had shown earlier. You need fried fish so it doesn't, because raw fish breaks at times. So fried fish brings a crunchiness and a very nice taste in it. I prefer fried fish. So we're just going to arrange them properly in the pan and leave it for about 5 minutes to cook up. So it's already cooked, and now what I'm going to do is add 2 cups of coconut water, fresh coconut water, the light one, because we already added the heavy one before. So I'll just put 2 cups, and now we'll just use a cloth to hold the pan and shake it. We won't use any type of spoon. As you can see, it's boiling up. You just need to cook it for about 5 minutes on each side because the fish was already fried. So it just needs to catch the gravy. So now we'll flip 1 by 1 piece at a time. You don't need to cook it too much because it was already fried. So you just need it to get a bit of gravy. And you need to taste in case any of your spices is less. Okay, so the fish is already ready. As you can see, it's boiling and the gravy is thick. So now we'll just leave it for about 2 minutes and then remove it from the heat and garnish it with some coriander leaves. Okay, now the fish curry is already ready and I have garnished it with some coriander leaves. It looks so yummy and the aroma is wow. I can't just wait to dig in. You can have this dish with either rice, and if it's very thick, you can have it with some roti. Well, I'm just going to dig in now because I can't wait any longer. Okay, so now I'm going to dig in. Wow. So as you can see, the outside is crunchy and crispy, but the inside is so tender. Yummy. It's so yummy. I can't wait to finish it. Please do try this at home and let me know down below the comment how it turned up. Please subscribe if you haven't. Like the video and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.